And one of the things that we have discovered, for instance, in Arusha city where I grew up, is that we have a lot of waste due to high population increase, a lot of demand of goods, and therefore we have all these paper waste. And right now, we even blend with other types of waste. And after collecting the waste all together, we now start processing into making clean energy briquettes. And here we have different steps that we follow. And our team is basically made of environmental scientists. So we have our environmental lab where we actually process this. We leave it for some days. We soak it with water, and then we carbonize using a carbonizer machine. And then later on, we finally have these briquettes. And right now, we are working on also packaging our briquettes and and labeling and selling them at an affordable price. And one amazing thing is that this is technology that can be learned at home as well. So we have worked with communities, with women, to also train them on how to create these clean cooking briquettes from their own households. And here they don't need a carbonizer machine because they can actually dry dry the briquette under the sun, you know. So it's been a very wonderful journey because we have not kept the knowledge to ourselves, but we have transferred the knowledge down the gradient, especially to those people who actually need the briquettes. And this has supported women to, to reduce dependence on cutting down trees for firewood and for charcoal. But also with the clean energy briquettes, you actually use less time cooking, depending to the charcoal, charcoal or firewood. And this has less smoke, it has less emissions, and it is readily available. And with the Maasai communities that we have worked with, they actually very interesting because they even use the cow dung to create these briquettes. They use the cow dung as a binder to water, you know. So it's actually an amazing process, and we're looking forward on how we could basically leverage more